How to solve this problem? Here is the simple way to solve the problem.
Hello friends, today we will talk about difference between Linux and Windows. Access, like in Linux, user has access to the source code of kernel and alter the code according to his need. It has its own advantages like bugs in operating system will fix at rapid pace, and disadvantages like developer may take advantage of any weakness in OS if they found that can be changed by the user easily. On the other hand, in Windows, every Windows user won't have access to the source code. Only members of the selected group will have to access to it. And the second one is flavor or variety. Linux has various distributions which are highly customized based on user needs, and on the other hand Windows has very few customization options available. Third one is licensing. Like in Linux, with GPL licensed operating system, users are free to modify the software, can reuse in any number of the system, or even they can sell in the modified version. Like anyone can sell and upload their source code of the Linux modified version in using GitHub or any other websites. But on the other hand, Windows with Microsoft license, users won't have access to source code, can't modify the software based on the number of license. We can install only on those number of computers, and we don't have access. Fourth one is command line. In Linux, command line is very useful tool for administration and daily tasks, but for end user it does not make much difference. But on the other hand, Windows have command line but can't use as Linux command line. We need to go run and enter cmd, then command line will open, and can only do some little task. The fifth one is run level. Like in Linux has built inbuilt ability to stop at different run labels. With this we can work using command line and GUI if anyone has issue. And on other hand, Windows, if we encounter any problem, in order to fix it we need to reboot it at run level 3 as administrator root to find the fix and fix the problem. In Linux it is very useful, but on the other hand Windows can counter problem, it will automatically troubleshoot and send data to the server. Usability. Linux is complicated to install but has the ability to complete complex tasks easier. Windows gives users simple system to operate, but it will take longer time to install. Support. The seventh one is support. Has Linux support via huge community of users, forum, website and online search. And on other hand, Windows has support which is easily accessible online forum, websites, and has paid support also. Updates. Linux users have full control on updates. We can install whatever whenever we needed, and it will take less time without any reboot. But Windows require reboot, and when we update it we need to update driver also, make user frustrated and took more time to install. Ninth one is security. Linux is more secure than Windows, where hacker or developers of virus will find difficulty to break through Linux. But on the other hand, Windows is a major target for developers of virus and malware, and it is most vulnerable without any antivirus software. antivirus software is required. These are the major difference between Linux and Windows. Thank you.